A wonderful day to my future employer. Please give me a chance to work with you in your family. By the way, my name is Milaiza Beringa. I am 34 years old. I was born on July 10, 1991. I am married, blessed with one son aged 10 years old. My height is 158 centimeter. My weight is 60 kilogram. I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. I am a Roman Catholic and I lived in the Philippines. I am a college graduate in Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. I have work experience as a helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. In 2019 to 2021, I worked for a Korean family. They are three family members, two adults, and one daughter. My main duties included taking care of their daughter, washing dishes, cooking, washing and ironing their clothes, keeping their home tidy, escorting their daughter going to school, teaching her assignments, and sometimes I'm her playmates too. For the past 2 years, I have been employed as kitchen associates at the Fragoch Tourist Inn here in the Philippines. My main duties included assisting food preparation, maintaining kitchen's cleanliness and hygiene, washing dishes and utensils, storing ingredients safely, and doing stocks inventory. For my future employer, please give me a chance to work with you in your family. I am a fast learner, flexible, capable of working independently, trustworthy, honest, loyal, and hardworking. For my future employer, please get me hard and I will assure you to do my task properly. Thank you for your time for watching my video and may God bless you.